Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So my name is Chirag Vaishnav and I'm a software developer. So in today's video, we will be discussing that how to answer tell me about yourself question or introduce yourself question. तो ये चीज़ डिस्कस करने की हमें ज़रूरत क्या पड़ी? So let's discuss कि हम ये डिस्कस क्यों कर रहे हैं. So it is the most basic and the first question that is asked in interviews. अगर interviews के perspective से हम बात कर रहे हैं तो ये question 100% आपसे पूछा ही जाएगा और इस question का आंसर अगर आपने स्मार्टली दे दिया तो यू कैन हैव द ड्राइविंग व्हील ऑफ द इंटरव्यू. और अगर ये आपने इंटरव्यू में कर दिया सो द सक्सेस रेट कैन इंक्रीज बाय अप टू 50%. सो आज की वीडियो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है. सो डू वॉच इट टिल द वेरी एंड बिकॉज आई एम डेफिनेटली श्योर कि ये आपको हेल्प आउट करेगी. बिकॉज इंटरव्यूज़ में हम सब सोचते हैं कि टेक स्किल आ गई. अगर मैं सॉफ्टवेयर इंटरव्यूज़ की बात करूँ तो टेक स्किल आ गई या फिर प्रोजेक्ट्स अच्छे हैं या रिज्यूमे शानदार बना हुआ है सो यू कैन क्रैक इट आउट. बट नहीं, देर आर मैनी फैक्टर्स दैट कैन अफेक्ट कि आप कैसे बोल रहे हैं. आपके चेहरे पे कॉन्स्टेंट स्माइल होनी चाहिए. आप जिस तरीके से बोल रहे हैं एक एक्साइटमेंट शो होना चाहिए उस चीज़ से, राइट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव टू बी स्मार्ट विथ योर आंसर्स. आप कैसे बोल रहे हैं, आप अपनी बात कैसे रख रहे हैं. बिकॉज इन अर्लियर वीडियोज आई एक्सप्लेन्ड वन थिंग दैट इज KCP, नॉलेज, कम्युनिकेशन एंड प्रेजेंटेशन. तो नॉलेज तो होनी ही चाहिए, नॉलेज इज़ द बेसिक एस्पेक्ट. उसके अलावा कम्युनिकेशन कि आप कैसे बात कर रहे हैं विद ऑल दैट जेस्चर, दैट स्माइल, दैट थिंग दैट कि हम बातों से अपनी भावनाएं कैसे व्यक्त कर सकते हैं, हाउ वी कैन एक्सप्रेस आवर फीलिंग्स थ्रू द वे वी स्पीक. एंड प्रेजेंटेशन, द वे वी पुट आवर थिंग्स कि हम कैसे स्ट्रक्चराइज करके बोल रहे हैं. तो वही स्ट्रक्चर आज हम जान रहे होंगे टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ क्वेश्चन का. सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू, एज द चैनल नेम सजेस्ट्स, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. तो जैसे कि मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन में बात करी थी अबाउट KCP, तो KCP का फॉर्म जो है मैं तीसरी बार इस चैनल पर रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. दैट इज़ नॉलेज, कम्युनिकेशन एंड प्रेजेंटेशन. तो नॉलेज स्टैंड्स के भी आपको बेसिक नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. यू शुड हैव द बेसिक नॉलेज. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट इंटरव्यूज, यू शुड नो DSA, you should have minimum good projects, you should know some tech stack, you should have a good resume, you should have a good basic profile in the sense, right? Now talking about communication, so communication generally English is required, that you should be proficient in English. And why the reason is that? The reason is simply because you have to deal with many foreign clients, or at some instant their requirement that English should be good because there are multilingual languages and English is considered as a common professional language in India, so you should be good in English. Now coming to the third and the most important point, that is presentation, कि आप अपनी बात को रख कैसे रहे हैं. It plays a really important role. अगर मैं इसका बहुत simple example दूं, अगर normally मेरे से कोई पूछता है कि how's your day, so I'm saying okay, it's fine, right? So it generally plays that okay, it's fine, good to know, but it does not make that a good impression. And now you ask me how's your day, so okay, this started like this and then it went like this and I had some of these incidents. So the way I'm explaining, the way I'm putting things simply shows that how I'm interested to explain you how important you are to me, right? So this is a basic personal level of example, but when it comes to professional, you have to be very smart with your words, the way you put your things and the way you are interacting with the other person, right? And how's that पॉसिबल, लेट मी गेट इट टू यू, राइट. तो इस जो वीडियो है उसके पॉइंट पे हम यहाँ पे आते हैं. सो टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ. अगर ये आपसे इंटरव्यूअर ने पूछा सो पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड जस्ट गेट योर आंसर डन इन योर ब्रेन, या फिर आप कमेंट्स में ही बता सकते हो कि अभी आपने क्या सोचा है. सो पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स दैट व्हाट आर यू थिंकिंग. कि अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा. सो आई थिंक यू हैव पॉज एंड यू हैव थॉट अबाउट इट. यू हैव डेफिनेटली लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आपने क्या सोचा है. नाउ लेट मी स्टार्ट इट. तो अगर मैं मेरी भी बात करूँ तो पहले टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ का आंसर ये होता था कि माय नेम इज चिराग वैष्णव एंड आई एम इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूट एंड आई हैव डन दिस एंड थैंक यू, राइट. But this is a thing that every student would answer. How that makes you different? Because interview is not about कि आपको क्या आता है. Interview is about कैसे अगर 10 students हैं तो how you stand out from the rest of 9. How you are special. Why we should select you? Because definitely interviewer has came to select you, not to reject you. This is the basic mentality. But how you makes yourself stand out is the thing, right? And this simply can be done by how prepared you are. Your preparedness simply makes you stand out, right? How prepared यू आर, इसका अगर हम आंसर बताना चाहें तो इसका आंसर ये होगा, टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। यहीं से आप बता सकते हो कि आप कितने प्रिपेयर्ड हो आपके इंटरव्यूज के लिए, राइट। सो नाउ हाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दिस, कि अगर बेसिक इंसान स्टार्ट करेगा, तो आई हैव लाइक इंटरव्यूड लॉट ऑफ पीपल, आई हैव आस्क्ड लॉट ऑफ माई बैचमेट्स, माई जूनियर्स, माई सीनियर्स अबाउट द सेम क्वेश्चन कि आप कैसे आंसर दोगे, एंड आई हैव डिड्यूस्ड अ बेसिक फॉर्मेट that okay, this should be the standard one, right? So first you have to start with your name and your educational background. So in my case it was that my name is Chirag Vaishnav and I am currently pursuing electronics and communication from the LNM Institute of Information Technology, Jaipur, right? If you are from a very good school, you can mention your school as well, right? So how it basically starts with कि भाई नाम और educational background, because अगर आप इंटरव्यू में बैठे हो तो you have to first answer the basic questions that he or she is looking for. So he or she is looking for your name, your educational background, your academics, your past experiences. This is the thing that they should know at first basis. तो यही हम बता रहे होंगे. So after name and educational background, you have to get started that what are the tech stack you have worked on, what is the project that you have worked on, what are the internship that you have done, right? So in my case it was that I am very proficient in Flutter. I have done some decent projects in Flutter as mentioned in my resume, and I did a SD internship at Electric Pay, राइट। सो दिस वॉज कि हमने किस किस टेक स्टैक पे काम कर रखा है, जो कि मेरे केस में थी फ्लटर, क्या क्या मैंने प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रखा है जो कि मेरे रिज्यूमे में मेंशनड ऑलरेडी है, सामने वाले के पास मेरा रिज्यूमे है, दैट्स व्हाई आई मेंशनड इट, बट इन योर केस यू कैन टेक इट रिस्पेक्टिवली। एंड एट द एंड आई मेंशनड इंटर्नशिप्स, सो दैट आई डिड अ SD इंटर्नशिप एट इलेक्ट्रिक पे. Now if I'm having some extra achievements, or if I'm having a good rank in some competition, if or some extra profile which I'm having 5-star 6-star like CodeChef, Codeforces, you can definitely mention it out. तो ये चीज़ें हैं जो अभी तक आप mention कर सकते हो. So these are the basic things that everyone will tell to their interviewer. Now comes the thing that makes you different, right? तो अब हमें क्या बताना है, अभी तक हमने जो भी उनको चाहिए था वो बता दिया, अब हम उनको बताएंगे जो हम बताना चाहते हैं, that makes us different. हमें क्या डिफरेंट बनाता है, हमें हमारी कहानी हमें डिफरेंट बनाती है. बिकॉज मेरे जो ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट सेल ऑफिसर हैं मिस्टर मनोज शर्मा, उन्होंने भी मुझे ये चीज़ कही थी, एंड आई हैव हर्ड दिस थिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स, दैट इन अ इंटरव्यू यू हैव टू बी अ गुड स्टोरी टेलर. इफ यू आर अ गुड स्टोरी टेलर यू कैन मेक थिंग्स डिफरेंट फॉर यू. सो हाउ टू बी अ गुड स्टोरी टेलर इन एन इंटरव्यू, तो ये चीज़ हम अगर डिस्कस करें तो सबसे पहले नेम प्लस एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड, फिर उसके बाद टेक स्टैक प्लस प्रोजेक्ट्स प्लस इंटर्नशिप प्लस अचीवमेंट्स इफ़ यू हैव एनी. उसके बाद हम आते हैं स्टोरी पे. टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ या हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ में स्टोरी कहाँ से आ गई भाई. तो स्टोरी प्लेज अ इंपॉर्टेंट रोल हियर. स्टोरी सिंपली टेल्स द इंटरव्यू दैट हु आर यू, right? So who are you means, so you have to make a story that simply signifies or simply tells the interviewer that okay, these are the qualities that you're having, because interviewer is probably your future colleague. So story simply tells your personality कि आप में क्या qualities है, like leadership, management, team working. And ये क्यों ज़रूरी है interviewer को बताना, because interviewer is looking a future colleague in you, right? And if I'm an interviewer sitting at the interviewer's chair, I will want कि जो सामने वाला जो इंसान है, he or she should be good in nature, should be good with personality, and should be someone who I will be happy to spend time with, the team will be happy to work with, and a lot more factors along with the technical skills. So you have to make them comfortable that okay, I'm good and proficient in these things, and how we can do it. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा confusion होता है, तो let me explain it, right? So one of my friend said this story. So मैंने आपसे बोला था कि मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को जाना है, बहुत सारे लोगों से पूछा है, and after that only I have deduced these things. So the answer of my friend was that when I was in first year I was really curious about clubs and all the things. So I asked one of my seniors, is there any task that he or she can give? So he gave me a magazine that okay, you have to write article for this, you have to take the social media handle and post this and start working on designing, right? So he learned, so my friend started learning designing, he became proficient in that. Furthermore, he started more contributing to the club, he worked with the team and he managed all the team, and furthermore he was in the second year he was promoted to sub coordinator, and the third year he was coordinator. So how does this story, simple story, tells something about my friend, right? So in this story you can simply see that he is hardworking, he's dedicated, he was looking towards opportunities, he converted the opportunities, he managed the team, he worked with the team. So a team working, management, leadership, and finally when he was at the leadership position he was able to manage the whole team, because he has worked from the ground, he has worked from the ground level to the top level he has came, right? So this simply signifies that how hard working and passionate he is. simply you also have your story, just you have to summarize it and present it to the interviewer so that it looks good on your part, and that's what makes you different, right? In my case, my story was I really love to help others with my technical skills, so I started a club named GDSC, and that is Google Developer Student Club, and there I worked on team projects, I managed a team, I've conducted hackathons, webinars, and a lot more sessions in the online mode only, and we did a lot of fun activities as well and got to learn a lot from the team, and a lot more of things I added it to it. So it simply created an impression that okay, how I am encouraged with the community, how I love to help others, how I work with the team, how I worked on the project with the team, and a lot more aspects were clear on that thing. So this is the basic thing that you can convey with your story. And after the story part, after you have got interviewers attraction that okay, this is your personality and you presented yourself, now the work is that why you want to join that company. Now this might be again a question that in an interviewer that introduce yourself, why this part is coming, that why I want to join your company. Now listen carefully, this is a really important question because we are framing a story again here. We started with name plus educational background, tech stack plus projects plus internships. Then we further move on to achievements, then stories. Now I'm telling him that okay, this is my personality and this is why I want to join your company, because you are having the driving wheel of the interview, right? So when you will end with why I want to join your company, he or she will be really impressed by your personality, that okay, this is the person that we want in our team, because your introduction will make you definitely different from others, right? So at the end you can definitely say that I was really looking forward to this opportunity, X being one of the company that I really want to be a part of due to its amazing work culture and the perks that the company obviously gives. And if you're having prior seniors in this company as well, so you can mention that okay, I have talked to my seniors and they told me amazing things about this and I'm really fascinated by this and I really want to be a part of this. So by this I'm definitely sure that the interviewer will be very impressed by your introduction, by your personality, and will definitely take the interview forward in a good direction, and you will have the driving wheel of the interview. So I hope you got all the points cleared. If you're having any doubt, do let me know in the comment section, I will definitely answer the same. So let me quickly wrap it up by saying my introduction. So my introduction went like this. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. So my name is Chirag Vaishnav. I'm currently pursuing electronics and communication from the LNM Institute of Information Technology, Jaipur, and I have done some projects in Flutter, and I did a SD internship in Flutter only at Electric Pay. Furthermore, I love to help others with my technical skills. That's why I started a club, GDSC, that is Google Developer Student Club, in my college. There I worked on team projects, I conducted some hackathons, webinars, and worked with the team to conduct some meetings and informative sessions to learn and grow together. Furthermore, with the same zeal to help others with my technical skills and in order to improve my communication and presentation, I did internships with some good names like Geeks for Geeks, Newton School, Apna College, Placeway, Tutored Academy, and I started my own YouTube channel as well, where I do podcast and express myself. So this is the basic things that I did. Furthermore, I will also like to tell that why I want to join this company. So I was really looking forward to this company, that X being one of the company I really want to be a part of due to its amazing work culture and obviously the perks that my seniors have told me. So thank you for listening to me. So this was my introduction, and I'm definitely sure that when you will introduce yourself like this, interviewer will be listening to you. And again, mentioning one point, you have to be a good storyteller, right? So this was it for this video. I hope it helps you a lot. If you're having any question, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you out. So I hope you will get started with your introduction, and if you're having any doubt, do let me know. Thank you.